What's up guys, it's Xman Co here, and today we're making amazing burritos. Not just any burritos, there's some pineapple in there, that's the twist, pineapple. It's going to be great, just hang around. With that said, let me introduce you guys to all the ingredients that we have here today. It's going to be very straightforward and very easy. We've got some water here, 2 cheeses, onion, avo, some beans, some chili, some pineapple, like I said to you, and the juice. It's very important. Keep them together. It's going to be amazing. Then we've got some sour cream, some olive oil, and half a cup of rice. Guys, some flour tortillas, and we're for away. No burrito is complete without a nice piece of meat. We've got some meat here, some beef. It's going to be amazing. We're going to start off with our pineapple pieces and the light syrup. You want to open your tin if you're using a tin. Strain all the liquid into the water. And then guys, just make sure you keep those pineapple pieces because we're going to use them a little bit later. Next, we're going to move over to our onion. You want to get rid of the skin. I like to chop it off at the ends and then cut it in half. We're looking for very finely diced onions, so we're just going to go ahead, make sure it's nicely cubed. You can decide if you want to use half an onion or a full onion. Next, you want to prep your avo, so we're going to cut it nicely all around symmetrical. Remove the skin. Once that's done, we want to cut this avo in nice thin slices. Now that some of our ingredients are prepped, let's move over to the fire. We're going to add our pot to the fire. We're going to start off with a little bit of oil, followed by your onions. Once the onions are in for about 3 seconds, we're going to add our garlic. Now this is chili garlic, you can decide what you want to use. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Guys, you want to make sure that your onions are translucent before you add your rice. At this point, we're going to move our pot away from the fire. You want to add your rice, just stir it a little bit and make sure it mixes nicely. We're trying to roast it slightly. And if you need to go back onto the fire, you're welcome to do that. You'll see that the rice starts to become a little bit sticky, and that's perfect. You want to add your pineapples. We're going to go with half the pineapples that we had in the tin. Roast it a little bit more. Once you're happy with the roasting, we're going to add our water and pineapple mix. You want to make sure that it just covers the rice. And at this stage, guys, we're also going to add a little bit of chutney for sweetiness. This is about 5 tablespoons of chutney, and you can decide how much you want to use. Stir it once again, and then we just want to monitor it. We want a medium simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that the rice is off the fire, it's time to sort out the meat. Now guys, first of all, we always pat it down. Moving over to the seasoning, we're going to add salt and then pepper. We also want to flip it, add some more salt, followed by some more pepper. We're going to use whatever's left on the table and just make sure we add a little bit of spices and seasoning to the fat cap. Now that the meat's ready, it's time to move over to the fire. We're going to put our steak on the fire. We're going to give it about 3 minutes aside. Remember, we're looking for medium, guys, and even if you're looking for medium rare, just shorten that time slightly. We're going to turn it quite a few times because of the fire. We want it flame grilled, and it's going to be an amazing dish. We're looking for a beautiful char on the outside and a medium on the inside. The meat's off the fire and it's time to cut into this bad boy. We're looking for a medium rare, and I'm sure we're going to get it. The smell is amazing that's coming from this meat. I'm so excited. So let's dig in and cut this bad boy. Have a look at that. That's what we're looking for. Beautiful pinkness. It just falls apart. Perfect. Guys, it's time to assemble this bad boy. Let's do it. So we're going to start off with a little bit of rice. Remember, we got this pineapple infused rice, and it smells amazing. And I have to tell you, I did have a small bite. It is fruity. It's just perfect. It's got the right amount of acidity. It's amazing. Now, one of the problems is that we could overfill this, so we're just going to go ahead and try not to overfill it. Next, we're going to use our curry infused butter beans, and once again, just a light bed over there, because remember guys, we rather have it slightly smaller than overfilled. Over to the meat. Now you can decide how much meat you want to put on there. My best advice that I can give you, the more the better. I know on all the other ingredients it's not the same, but remember, this is meat. All right, there we go. I know what you're thinking, we need to season this. No. There's so much flavor in this. That's why we kept the seasoning to the minimum, because this rice has got so much fruitiness to it. We salted everything. This is going to be beautiful. We don't want anything else to be the hero other than the pineapple. On to the next step, cheese. Cheese is always important. So we're going to go ahead, just put a little bit of cheese over there. And if you miss a little bit, it's not the end of the world. There you go. Fantastic. over to the avo. A few slices of that. Once again, guys, use your imagination, decide how much you want to put on there. Last but not least, some sour cream. Now, there's so many options and so many things that you can add to this. We're just going to keep it plain and simple. Some sour cream. There you go. A little bit more over there. Perfect. Looks like it's overfilled, but hey, we're going to go ahead. This is going to be amazing. Right, so guys, there's no right or wrong. Just play with it. This is the way we do it. And just try and compact it. There you go. Fold it in. Guys, it looks like we've got a beautiful burrito. Now what we need to do, assemble the rest, cut this one in half, and enjoy. That moment of truth. Let's have a look. Guys, have a look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. It's definitely juicy. It's time to eat. Let's dig in. Cheers. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Boys and girls, I challenge you, go make this. The acidity, the fruity flavors with the salty meat is absolutely on point. You better go make this. This is amazing. Boys and girls, you know the story. If you like what we're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as you upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, go. This is amazing. Honestly, try it out.
Yes.
It's juicy. It's fantastic. It's tasty. Go make them.